Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you this new train which just got updated in Indian like 3D. As you see, the houses, everything are here, new cars, Porsches, everything is here. So as you see, we are going to ride this train. So let's get into the oh my god, where am I going? Okay, let's enter the train right now. I don't know why am I jumping. Okay, let's go to the other train. Okay, let's enter the train and we see how long it is. It might start off slow at the first, but then I promise it will get faster. It's going pretty slow right now. This is the horn. It kind of goes. The horn and the lobby. As you see, it's getting more faster. You see? It's kind of pretty slow, so it will get like, for a bit. It will take some time. But anyway, this update is so good. The houses, the more people and everything. So let's hope you enjoy this update. It's a really good update, if I do say so myself. And it's a really loud. So let's go on the whole ride and see what's on. I think the owner forgot to add the railway parts on the road because there were no railway parts. Anyways, just ignore that. How is life, everyone? Good, right? Okay. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Please, if you want more videos, comment for more videos and then give me more ideas for other videos. So let's still go on with the ride. It's pretty long. Look at the front of the train. Howrah from India. 2253 platform. 2 lights. Wait. Look at this. Something caution. Electricity. And here, as you see, the electricity wires or something. Whatever. This thing is going on for pretty long. Let's wait until it comes at the start and see what happens. Maybe we'll try to race this train one day. Comment down below. In another video, make sure we'll race this train and see what happens. Ooh, look at the mountain. Nice. What's a shooting? Doesn't matter. Oh, look at the beach and whatever. Very good. Okay, again, how will you ride on the road? Look how long is this train. This train is massive. Oh, so supposed to reach this well. But sorry for the mistake. Look at this train, it's gonna get faster. Yeah, if I do say so myself, the train is really good. The game really did a good job on designing this train. It has been long since they had an update. let's see what the next update we give. Please don't forget to comment on Rohit so he can have more ideas for updates, and I show you guys the updates. Hopefully we're almost there. Close. 110 kilometers per hour. Return 3rd January 2023. Just past 3rd January. What are they saying this? Okay, this is gonna go a bit long. I think we're almost there right now. Not that sure. Yep, I think we're almost there. I think we're almost there. Yep. Okay. Look at the wheels, man. Good. Look it in this angle. How it turns out. Hopefully we're almost there. You see the houses here, everything. It's pretty good. Yep, we are almost there. You see the tires? Oh my god, I just came out. Okay. Ah, I have the gun. I wanna aim. Okay, anyways guys, as you saw the video, the train, the ride goes on for 7 minutes. Anyways guys, peace out.